Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jessica, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the flaxseed gel. And my oh my, I have been wanting to try this out for a long time now, and finally I'm doing it. As you can really tell, this is my first time making this gel, and I have decided to share my experience with you all so as to boost your confidence to try it out on your own. And trust me, making this gel isn't rocket science because its preparation is a very simple and easy one to do. This I can say based on experience. Okay, in addition to showing you how to make this gel, I'll also be showing you how I applied it and how it came out. So if you want to learn and share in my experience, make sure to watch this video to the end. Now, before going to the video, I want to specially welcome those who are visiting my channel for the first time. Please make sure to subscribe and to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's go into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get a clean pot and add clean water to it. I added about 800 milliliters of water. Next, I got my flaxseed, of which I added about half a cup. Now note that these measurements can vary depending on the amount of gel you wish to make. Next, give the mixture a stir to make sure that the seeds are not heaped at a place. And also make sure that you don't have seeds hanging at the sides of the pot, because if it gets dry there, it's going to be difficult for you to wash it out later. The final thing to do on this segment is to put on your gas and leave the mixture to boil. Now while it's boiling, you have to stir it from time to time to check its progress. You know if your mixture is ready if by the time you're bringing out your spoon or whatever it is you use to stir the mixture, a mucus like trail comes out with it. Now if you have gotten to that point, all you have to do now is to put off your gas and leave the mixture to cool. Give it about 40 minutes to an hour to make sure that it's properly cooled, so you don't end up burning yourself. This is how it's supposed to look when it has cooled down. Now, additional information: if you leave it out for too long and it gets too thick, for you to strain it, add water to it and stir it so as to loosen the mixture. Then you get your bowl and your panty hose or whatever it is you want to use to strain the gel and begin with the extraction. Now you can see my final result. You saw how easy, and I was about to say quickly, but it took a lot of time, but then you've seen, or you can see how easy it was to make the gel. Now this gel is a lightweight gel. You can see how it's almost as if there's nothing in my hand. Now for this application, after washing my hair, I used the LCO method, where for my conditioner I used my aloe vera gel to close my cuticles and also to add extra moisture to my hair. Now the final step is to add the flaxseed gel to your hair. So as to get more defined curls, I said to do a twist out so that my curls will be defined. But even without twist out, you can see some definitions, curl definitions in my hair. Now this is a day later, and it's time for me to see how everything went. Now I would like to advise you to be careful whenever you're taking down a twist. Don't try to force any section that does not want to open up, because if you do that, you end up getting frizz. Now you can see the definition I got. For this section I'm working on, I decided to show you guys to show you what happens when you don't let your twist out to dry properly. I didn't do this intentionally, although I didn't know before that there are such implications happen whichever way. So I was happy at first, but by the time I compared both of them, I saw that something was wrong. So I decided to twist it back up and leave it to dry. I initially tried to finger curl it to know if I can get more definition, but it didn't work out. So I twisted it back up. Now this is how everything came out. My hair looks rough. I look like a mad person, but I'm proud of my achievements. So what I was trying to do here was to add volume to my hair. I was still trying to know if I can salvage what I have going on my head, but it didn't work out. So this was the final look I came out with, and it still looks pretty cute, so it's a win-win for me. Now we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you did. So make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're still not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that button before you leave. I love you guys. Bye.